Hey, it's Ty with Credit Suite, and in this business credit funny tip, we're going to talk about how you can get business loans and credit lines based only on consumer credit quality. So the first question is, do you have good consumer credit? Do you have good consumer credit scores of 680, 700 or higher with no real derogatory items on your credit report? Or maybe you know somebody. Do you know anyone who has that kind of credit, who can sign as a guarantor, knowing their credit's not going to be adversely affected unless you actually default on the financing you get? Or another option is maybe you have average or better credit, but you have cash flow verifiable per your tax returns. If you answer yes to any of these, it opens up financing options for you, including loans and credit lines, even 0% credit lines that you can get for your business, even as a startup, using only consumer credit as the strength. So if you'd like to learn more about getting financing based only on your consumer credit quality, give us a ring at 877 600 2487.